Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use automation in BandLab. If you want your music to feel like automation, vocal fading in, beats dropping smoothly, effects building tension, in BandLab automation lets you control things like volume, effects, louder, softer, delay, reverb, filters, and instead of staying constant, your sound changes dynamically just like the other track. So first what you can do is over any of the web browser you prefer. After that, in the top you can find there's an address bar, type down bandlab.com and enter it. Over here, make sure to log into your account. You can either go to create a new account or you can also go to the previous project as well and select to the studio. Over here, what you have to do is you need to select to the clip that you want automation for and simply right click on it. Over here on the left hand side we can find this volume automation. You can simply select for the increment or the decrement of the volume as well. And after that, what you can do is you can also go to the effects. You can select to the clip that you want to and click to this effect on the bottom here. And over here again you need to go to this add effects. Beside it we can find all of the effects here. You can delay the clip as well. You can also use the EQ over here and you can select one of the effects that you want to put under this clip, and that is it. This is how you can use the automation in BandLab volume and effects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.